Happy day, students. So this is July portion. You have two chapters, out of which the first chapter, that is chapter 4, slide organization. Right? So in this chapter, what is slide organization means, like editing a slide, which can be new, creating a new slide, creating a new slide, deleting a slide, rearranging the slides. Like rearranging, I already taught you through slides sort of we can do it. Then changing the background, changing layouts, that is a we had layout, right? Title and content, section header, those, and inserting, how to insert a text box. Okay, so let's see. First I'll show you, once again I'm telling you, if you want to practice at home, you have to search for Microsoft 2007. Then you have to, so topics covered in this is adding a new slide. So let's see how we are going to add a new slide. I open a presentation. Okay, so I'm going to add a new slide. Clicking on home tab, new slide, whichever layout I want, I can select that. So I have selected two contents layer, two content. Yes. Next topic you can see is changing the new slide. Changing a new slide means changing the layout of the new slide. Yes. So just see, this was a new slide which was selected by us. I am changing the layout over here. Yes, I am selecting any one layout. So content with caption, this is the next layout that I am going to, they have been changed. Yes, so see, I have 4 tabs, 4 slides are there. Next, editing text, moving text, copying text. So 3 topics together I will correct in this. First is editing text. Editing means what? When you double click on the text, you can edit it, right? Now this is a computer science class. I just selected it. After selecting, this is computer science class, I am deleting it. So I just clicked on it and typing on it. So this is this is I removed, and computer science class is there. So that was how I edited. Now moving text, Control C, Control V, which we already learned. Control C and Control V, same we can apply it over here. Yes, that is Control C is a shortcut for copy button, and for cut we can use Control X. Yes, so I selected, I pasted. Yes. Next topic is copying text. So see, I selected, copies option is there. After right click, again the same text has been repeatedly copied. Yes. And next topic is, so I have finished editing, moving and copying. Next is inserting text box, for which in home tab I am inserting a new slide just to show this. So I am selecting a blank slide. In that, clicking on insert tab, text box. Yes, so this is how I inserted a text box. Yes, I hope this so far is clear. Now we are moving to inserting. Next we are going to rearrange slides, rearranging slides in slide sort of view. I think that topic already I had shown you. Like you will be taking a slide sort of view and you can rearrange them. Okay, wait a second, I'll just show you. This I'll be, so I have how many total? 3, right? So in view, slide sorter, see, all the slides are there, yes or no? So I can rearrange the slides. I will click on it and I'll move it. Similarly, you can rearrange using outline tab also. Okay. Next is inserting clip art. Clip art means, I think last video also I explained, if I have to search for related images, if there I can add that. Insert clip art. Yes, I am searching something related to home and clicking on go. Yes, clicking on go. So related images has come. If I hover over the mouse, I can get the images, right? So I will decide on one. The other one I removed. This one I am selecting. Yes. So this is how I insert a image using clip art. Yes. Next we have working with word art. Okay. Word art means like alphabets I have, right? See over here, insert how I want to those alphabets to look like. Okay, I can type my text over there. According to the word art style, the text will be coming. Yes, my text was computer science. Yes. Then we have inserting shapes. So I inserted a shape. Shapes forms an illustration group. If you can see at the bottom like picture, clip art, photos, shapes all forms an illustration group. I inserted a shape. In a blank sheet I'll insert a shape. Yes. Now in format, shape fill option is there. Shape effect option is there. Yes, shape outline is there. So I can just once I select, I can see what is the effect it is showing. Shape effects. I'm just selecting glow, selecting this. So this is how it the effect is. Yeah. So I'm just showing you what are the different shape effects that's available in 2007 version. First I showed you how to insert. Next, shadow effects. The offset top I have selected. Offset center is there. Accent is there. Then accent color 3, color 4, color 5, color 6. Yes, many are there. So if you hover over the particular effect, you can see its name. Just for for the reference, I'm showing it over here. Now shape outline, I can change the color of the shape outline. I selected green. Yes. Okay. So next what I'm going to do is show you the lab activity. Page number 27, you have got a lab activity. Instructions are given in page number 27. Okay. So first will be a title slide, next then will be title and content. So the first slide, title and content will be playway method of teaching. You can see exactly the same in page number 27. Yes. Then I can add the points like no homework, creative methods, practical approach, English speaking, environment, extracurricular activities, so on. Now the first slide, that is welcome to innovative public school director's name and principal's name. Yes. One more slide I had to add, right, for facilities. In that you can add it bullet points like playground, library, best facility, yoga hall, projector room, all sports facilities, swing, science lab, computer lab, all these are there in your textbook page number 27. Okay, so in our lab activity we need only three first the first slide, title slide, then the title and content. So remaining I'm deleting it. Okay, so you get more clarity. So 1 2 3 4 4 slides. See the 4 slides. At once you will get a miniature views inside selected slide sorter view. Yes, I hope the lab activity was clear for all of you. Yes. Okay students, so with that we have finished this chapter. Chapter 4 is over. Thank you students and have a nice day.